Up next, 2013 Harley-Davidson FLTRXSE Road Glide CVO. Right off the bat, you see some upgraded LED headlights, highway pegs. CVOs are loaded. Custom vehicle operations is what CVO is all about. Take a look at the miles, the right angle and the right focus. Under 13,000 miles. It's a consignment bike, so there are no test rides. But there is a 2-in-1 performance exhaust system. CVO Road Glide's talking about upgraded speakers in the lids of both saddlebags. Previous owner, hope I'm getting this right, added some docking hardware as well as a completely matching Tour-Pak, the hell's a Tour-Pak? Tour-Pak, making the bike extremely versatile. Pop that bad boy off for short distances, put it on when you'll need to carry some luggage. Guessing stage 1 kit on the 110 cubic inch motor based upon the high volume air intake as well as the 2-in-1 exhaust system. Beautiful bike. No test rides. It is on consignment, but please feel free to come down and take a test look and listen at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.